Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my channel, first I would like to share my honest review about Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. It is made in Australia, and I would like to inform you I live in India. I placed this order in Amazon. It is very well available on Nykaa, Purple, Amazon, Flipkart, all the Indian online shopping carts, and I'll share the link in my description box. If you guys would like to place an order, kindly check the links. Coming back to the lotion review, this is highly contains with vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good for skin. It develops the skin from the root for giving nourishments and the smoothness texture. It also removes the dryness very immediately. As soon as you apply on the skin, it gives very smooth texture, and also it repairs the skin. You can see this lotion package. It comes with barcode, and it also imported in India. It have 125 ml, and this price wise it is very good comparatively to other high luxury moisturizing lotions. It is cost of 850 rupees as per Indian rupees money. And if you keep on using this lotion, you will come to know very drastic results. And also you can see this product code, barcode, as this is the original product. There is no duplicate for this, and you should have to keep this product away from the sun, room temperature or below 30 degrees Celsius, and it is free from silicone, parabens and sulfate. That is very important for any skin type people. It also used for unisex. Both male and females can be used. And apart from that, this is not only for face, it also for body. As a drawback, I would like to mention, as this is comes with 125 ml, it will not that sufficient. For body there are lots of lotions, so I would highly recommend it for face and neck. So it repairs the most exposure to the sun, that is the skin area exposure to the sun. Here is the ingredients. You can see it contains 85% of vitamin E. For the best results, please apply twice a day after shower or bath. And one more thing guys, this lotion will not be mentioning the expiry date. Even I'm also not sure why. We need to check it on the Nutriderm website. I'll share that website also for your information. And yes, this lotion is made by recyclable plastic, so it is not harmful for carrying out, and it also travel friendly. You can keep it in a bag and take it out. So yeah, this is the opening type. It is as simple as that. You can just open it out, and if you look into it, it is not with sealed package. But however, yes, on the trust basis we can trust this brand, as so many reviewers can share, also shared about this. This is my first tube, and it contains semi-solid form. Just a pinch of drop is enough. It actually it will come for nearly 9 to 10 months, I guess. For me it is coming because I am sharing this after 6 months. Let me also show you how it absorbs on the skin after applying it. Kindly excuse for the video dropout guys. Yeah, here if you see, I applied on my skin. I just pat a drop of lotion, and after rubbing it within a nanosecond, it absorbs easily and gives a very good texture for the skin. And that's it, guys. Thanks for listening me, and I strongly recommend you all to get this and try it out at least once and get benefit of this. Last but not least, this is not a sponsor video, it is on my own interest. I bought this product from my own money. It is not a sponsor video. Thank you guys, have a good day, stay blessed.